Yo, what up? How's it going? So today you want to learn about how you can remove the cart icon from your Shopify store if you're using the trade team, right? So today I'm going to put you through on how you can remove these. And by the time you're done, you're going to have a store that looks like this, whereby there is no cart icon. So let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta. Okay, so you want to come to your online store, you want to come to Teams, and once you're here, you want to look for your trade team, okay, which might possibly be the default team. So you go ahead and hit on customize. Now, once you do that, you're going to land on this, your team customization page, okay? And right here by the left-hand side, you want to come here to your layout. You see the header, you see announcement bar, you also see header. So you want to click on this header here, okay? And after that, you want to scroll down just like this, and you want to click on Custom CSS. So right here, the Custom CSS, you're going to paste a code here. Now remember, this is simple. It's not just copy paste. That is all you're doing. Okay, so yeah. Now the code, I'm going to give it to you as a doc file. And right here is the code. All right. So you want to copy and paste this to remove using CS, this code here. This is a CSS, custom CSS code. And you want to copy just this. All right. And once you copy that, you want to come back to your team customization. And you want to paste the code just like this. And once you paste, you'll say the card icon is no longer there. Okay, so this is how you can remove the card icon from your trade team. What about if you want to hide it? Then what you can do is, let me go ahead and so now once I remove the icon, you see it's there. So the moment you paste it, just click on save and you're good to go. But what about if you want to hide it? This is another method that you can also use. So what you can do is that at this trade right here, draft, you want to click on this three dotted line here and you want to click on edit code. Now student fidget, it's still copy and paste stuff, but we're going to be using another code for this, which is a very short code. So I'm going to click on edit code and I'm going to go back to this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you also. Okay, yep. All right, so now you want to you can see to hide it using base. So this is hide. So you want to copy this short code here, this short, something short like this, and you want to copy these and you want to come back right here. Oh, it's still loading. So the moment your editor, your edit code page is loaded, you want to come here to, you see trade, which is the team name. You want to come to assets and you want to come to base.css. And once you do that, you want to scroll down till the last part of the page, and you just paste that code. It's as simple as that. So you can see it's pasted just like this, and you go ahead and hit on save. Always make sure that you save because it is very, very important. And the moment I go back, you can see it's no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can hide it, okay, or how you can remove also. So these are two ways whereby you can remove or hide your card icon from your Shopify header in the trade team. Another way is also you can use the custom liquid. It is still copy and paste also. So let me go ahead now and let me remove this code here. Okay, if you want it to show again, just remove this, okay, the code that you pasted. And if I hit on save and I go back, you can see now that it is showing again. All right, it's now showing. So you can also use custom liquid for this. Let me see if I can add block. Nope. I need to add a section. So you just come into the header, under the header, just click on add section. Okay. Then you want to click on custom liquid. All right. And you want to go ahead and click on the custom liquid. And once you do that, you want to come back to this, this doc file and you want to look for the, to remove using CL, which is this. All right. And like that, I copy and I copy, and this is custom liquid, and I go back and I paste it, and whoa, wham! You see, it's no longer there. Okay, so this is also how you can do this using custom liquid. So I believe this video has been helpful. Please, if it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. I am doing this for you guys, and I expect you also to subscribe as a way to encourage me to keep doing all this. So subscribe and God bless you. And also like this video, even if you don't want to subscribe, like it so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. Or also share this video with your friends and family, and God bless. So thank you. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.